Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by F.W. Crane in 1876. The black only has the king and a single pawn left. It's white's turn and can get a checkmate in 2. If the queen moves to c5, the king can escape and take the knight on e4 and you can't get a checkmate in 2 this way. If the knight moves to g5, black can escape with only a checkmate in 5 by moving away the king, and then the pawn can advance. White can get further checks with the knight and then with the queen and eventually get the checkmate in 5. If the white knight moves to d2, pretty much the same thing happens. The king can start moving around a bit. They can advance the pawn and follow up with more checks, but again, only a checkmate in 5, not the checkmate in 2. And if the knight moves to d6, the king can move away. And again, you don't get a checkmate in 2 this way. The solution to this one is to move the knight to f2. If black pushes the pawn, you can checkmate in 2 by moving the queen to e4. If the king moves to c4, you can checkmate by moving the queen to c5. And if the king tries to move to d4, the queen can again move to c5 to checkmate in 2. Alright, that's it in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.